about getting your company name on the check?
Check,
Yes.
yes.
Do you have feedback about that? Because I've never
Yes.
really, I mean, I've gotten mortgage companies to do it, but I haven't really. Fill me in. What do you like to do? Obviously, with State Farm, or you can get like depreciation released and so on with a signed contract, but what's your method?
I ask.
You just ask?
Yeah.
That's
Can
simple enough.
you put that, can you, since we're the contract of record, right, you have our agreement, when you do when you release the final check, sometimes depending on the adjuster, I'll say, can you make it out just to us? And sometimes they have. I've had a supplement check made out just to us.
Okay.
But in terms of the initial RCV check, um, just say, when we come to agreement, a lot of times they'll do, especially a lot of State Farm is one in particular, also Erie, they'll do the Xactimate on site or their estimate on site.
Yeah.
And those, I'm sure you've seen a bunch of times, sometimes they have check cutting capacity right there.
Yeah.
And we just had one, a month ago where the customer was squirrely and there was no way he was going to get a whole roof.
Yeah.
And the adjuster came to me and he said, look, Scott, this guy's got a claim that's still outstanding that he cashed a check. It was on a holiday or something like that.
Oh,
Anyways,
great.
he's like, I'm worried if I do the roof that, he's not going to have it done. The agent told me to look out for him. And I was like, well, look, why don't you make it out to him, the mortgage company, and to me? My company. He goes, okay, great. I've had it done a couple times. Usually, I don't often ask, but I'd say 50 to 70% of the time, if I hand him my agreement,
Yeah.
oh, by the way, here's the copy of the agreement. When you do the check, it would be real helpful if you could make it out to the homeowner, the lien holder, and us.
Now, are you giving them just a contingency that says per insurance allowance, or do you have a hard and fast dollar amount on there when you do that?
The contingency.
Okay, that's good. Now, what objections, if any, do you typically get when you ask?
We can't do that.
And that's it. And then it's just like, okay, well,
Yeah.
see you later.
Well, it looks like a couple people posted on Facebook that as long as the homeowner is okay with that the insurance companies will do it.
Gotcha. Now, okay.
But it has to be approved by the homeowner because, again, the homeowner is the one that's paying the insurance company.
Right.
The insurance company is for the homeowner, not for the contractor.
Bingo.
So if the homeowner is okaying it and approving it, then they have really no choice but to say, okay, sure.
Right.
Well, I just personally sent out a check to my mortgage company for a homeowner's claim I had on a roof, but it was made out to the mitigation team, me, and my lien holder.
Yeah.
They didn't ask for my permission. So I think State Farm, as much trouble as they typically are, they're pretty good about that.
Yeah.
I know Erie has. I know Farm Bureau has been okay with that. The two that come to mind where they're like, we can't do that is Safeco, and also, I guess their Liberty Mutual is the same thing now.
Yeah, they're
And AAA.
okay.
Simply just ask.
Yeah.
Here's our agreement. Can you make that out to us? It would be no, the way I always phrase it, it would be very helpful if you could make it out to the homeowner, the lien holder, and us.
Gotcha.
Saves us a little red tape.
Gotcha.
And a lot of times they're like, oh, sure, no problem.
Okay. Perfect.